I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a shuffle exercise. It's not on Pkwy, but it does go in that general direction. We're doing shuffles around the clock. This is something I love doing with my younger students, especially like the ones that are learning how to tell time on an analog clock. So it's like you get to combine what they learn in actual school with like what they learn in dance. Sorry, I'm a teacher, so it makes me giddy. But this is great for any level, any age, because it helps you practice your shuffles in different directions. So we're going to be doing the right side and then switching, and then the left side, and then either switching or stopping. It's a great exercise to bring to your classes. It's a great exercise for y'all. I absolutely love this one, so let's just get into it. Your shuffles are going to go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So the down movement of the shuffle happens on and. So that's really, really important to remember. So you're going to go at 12 o'clock, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Then you shift to 1 o'clock, so just a little shift over. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do 4 shuffles each time. So 12, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, now 2. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to the center of the clock to do 3 shuffles in a step. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you go to the center of the clock. So you do 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, center. And then we go to the other side. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, center. It's really cool. 4 each, and it fills an entire 8 count each time. Or, you know what I mean, an even count with 8s. Shall we try it? Let's try it. I have music for it later, but let's go ahead and try it. 4 shuffles each time. Remember when you do the front shuffles that it is really a down-up motion. And when you do it to the side, it is still a down-up motion. You just turn out your leg. It is still down-up. So don't think about going out, back. It's not out, back. It's down-up. Relax your foot, but also give it like that little relaxed flex. So my ankle is doing stuff. My ankle is active. My foot is relaxed. That's important. So also, when you go to the back, it's the same as a side shuffle, right? I don't know which direction to face. It's the same as a side shuffle. You just bend this front leg. And it allows you to take that side shuffle straight back. You don't have to it's not like a back shuffle like that, you know? So you do your side shuffle, and then you bend a little bit for 4 o'clock. You bend a little bit more for 5. You bend a little bit more for 6. So that plie in your standing leg is what's going to help you get those 3 back shuffles. Okay? Cool. Now that we've talked about that, let me address the elephant in the room. There is no elephant in the room. There's Wally, and he's great. But you may be hearing sounds from outside that are children playing. And this is my new space, and there are lots of kids in this neighborhood, and apparently Sunday is not a good day to film, and I'm learning that right now, because there are tons of children playing outside, right outside my house, and it's very loud. However, I am not going to be the person that tells the kids not to play outside. I think that's great. I want to encourage them to play outside, so I'm not going to open my door and go, hey, keep it down. I'm not that girl. So I'm going to enjoy the fact that these kids are happy and active and playing outside with each other. It's like all the neighborhood kids from all walks of life playing together. It's the most beautiful thing. They're like playing basketball or tag or something. And I love it. Is it going to affect this video? I don't know. I gotta check when I finally edit. And if it does, I just won't film on the weekends anymore so that you guys don't have this extraneous noise. Today, not much I can do about it, so I just wanted to point out the fact that yes, I do hear screaming too, but it's good screaming. It's kids playing tag screaming, so this is good. So, yeah, just wanted to throw that out there in case you heard it and you're like, what is she doing? Where is she? In my new house with not very thick walls, but it's okay. All right, so let's try it. Right side, step, switch to the left side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, I wanted to pause before we went to left because we haven't tried it yet. All right, now, left side. So this is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, center. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Man, that 6 o'clock is hard. I'm squinting because I'm concentrating so hard. All right, let's try it with music. Let's just have some fun. I just found a cute song that it fits to. And the song has some nice cinematography. It has like some guy in the mountains and waterfalls like doing flips and stuff. It's really cool to watch. Link for the song will be down below. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So that's your tempo. Ready? So we're gonna go straight from right to left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Short song too. I mean, it was like the perfect length. All right, I hope you had so much fun learning this exercise. It is so much fun to bring to class, especially again, if you have younger students who are learning how to tell time. It is so good. Hi, Bento. This is my 4th video I filmed today, and this is the first time you came to say hi. What is up with him? You know what, I always catch him sitting on this floor. It's like he loves being in the studio space and like on camera. He's so cute. We love Bento on this channel. So yeah, if you haven't met him before, this is my cat Bento. And he wants tummy rubs now, so I'm gonna end this video so I can give him tummy. He's like laying on the floor like, Mom, please. So yeah, I hope you really, really enjoyed this. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where you can just learn a step, choreography tutorials where you can learn a dance to a fun song or like a timeless song or something. And we've got challenges, vlogs, cats, Wally, kids playing outside, lots of fun stuff on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it really, really helps with the algorithm. Not just for my, could you not? He's scratching the carpet. You see his little tail? That's all. So when you hit the thumbs up, it doesn't just help my channel, it helps all tap dance channels because it tells the YouTube algorithm that people like tap dance. That is not a real plant, please don't eat it. Okay, so yeah, thumbs up for Bento and for tap dance. And subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me. I can't believe I said that on camera. That is not a real plant, please don't eat it. Thank you for dancing with me.